Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 11 years old. Today I'm going to make chicken quesadillas. What I love about this recipe is it uses two of my favorite things, barbecue sauce and Malaysian Paratha. For this recipe you're going to need Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce, cheddar cheese, garlic powder, salt, boneless chicken, and Malaysian Paratha. First step is you have to pour 1 tablespoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of salt. First you have to put in the garlic powder and then your salt. Now you gotta mix it. Now that your chicken has garlic and salt, you can now start fry it. Make sure you're constantly stirring it so it does not get burned. While my chicken is cooking, you take half a cup of barbecue sauce and you put in a bowl. This will later be used to coat the chicken. Now that my chicken is done, I can put it inside my barbecue sauce. Now that my chicken is with the sauce, you have to mix it evenly. Now I'm going to put in my Malaysian Paratha. I like to cook my Malaysian Paratha on low because it cooks very quickly. You know your paratha is done when it's not sticking to the frying pan. And then you got to flip it. As soon as you flip it, you have to pull 1 spoon of chicken and 1 handful of cheddar. Spread it out on one side. And then you put a little bit more cheese on top. The other side of the paratha cooks very quickly, so now you gotta fold it. After you fold your paratha, quickly put it on a plate or else it'll burn. Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 11 years old. If I can make chicken quesadilla, so can you. Time to eat.